What we got for you? We got something special for you. What do we have? What is it? What is it?
The bed.
The bed.
His head.
What's on there?
Eat a bug.
Eat a bug.
The ladybug.
Can you get up there? Can you get up there? Oh. What is it?
The pillow.
Pillow. Is it a big girl bed? Look at mommy. What is it?
His head.
Are you happy?
Sad.
You're
This bee.
Don't jump. Don't. No. Nope. Okay. Well, apparently we don't have any trouble getting off the bed.